Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you a Myntra haul. I have shopped from Myntra some kurtis. So I thought I will share with you guys so that if you want to buy, you can also buy it. Myntra is on sale right now. So you will also get the benefit of it. So I will show you what all I have bought from Myntra. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so first I'm going with this kurti, the green kurti which I'm wearing right now. I'm just loving this color. It's very soothing color, and the sleeves over here, they are so lovely, you can see, and one pattern or one lace is going over here. So I just love this kurti. The price of this kurti is 2199 and I will show you how it looks on me overall. So I just love this kurti. You can go and shop it on Myntra, and all the discounted price I will list above the screens. You can just check it out if you want to see what is the discount price on this. Next up I got this pink kurti. You can see this is the overall striped kurti. I'm just loving this kurti. I've got this kurti for everyday use. The sleeves of this kurti are 3/4 sleeves, and you can see this pattern. It's a straight fit kurti, and you have a slit over here. You can wear this kurti with a white jeggings and it will look superb, and it will just uplift your look. So I'm just loving this kurti. You can see. So the price of this kurti is for 1299. So I just love this kurti, and I thought I got very much discount on this. So I'm just loving this kurti. You can give it a try if you want it for everyday use. The third kurti which I have got from Myntra is this black kurti. You can see. It's an amazing kurti. The pattern over here, the buttons over here are amazing, and the pattern which is going around here, the down pattern, it will, the people who have tummy, hips, you can buy such kurtis so that this will give you a this will just cover your body shape, and it will not make you look fat, and it will look amazing on you. You can see the sleeves. This is a 3/4 sleeves kurti, and the checks pattern is going around. And if you want to make this look kurti look western, you can wear a belt with this, and you can just wear this kurti like a one piece also. That's why I buy this kurti, so that I can wear this as a one piece also, and with a like a normal kurti also with the leggings. So if you want to dress up this kurti as a western wear, you can just wear a belt over here around your waist, and it will look very sexy on you. So the third kurti I have shown you, and the price of this kurti is 2049, and the discounted price I will list here above, so you can just check it out. Okay guys, so next up I have got this peach kurti. You can see I just love this color and the design going over here. I just love this type of kurtis, and they look very rich whenever you wear this, and it's a very soothing color also. The sleeves are, I think this is 3/4 sleeves, and it's a folded sleeves. It's a straight fit kurti. You can see it has a cut over here, and the shape of this kurti, it's a round shape. You can see the shape of this kurti is round from down. You can see, I will just show you. You can see the shape of the kurti is round from down, and the pattern over here is very good. It's a superb kurti. The color combination is also very good. The price of this kurti is 1999, that is 2000 rupees, and the discounted price I will list above, so you can just check out this kurti if you want this kurti. It's an amazing color, and the design of this kurti is very nice, so you can check it out, this kurti. The next up what I have got is this blue kurti. Again I have got this kurti so that I can wear it as a one piece also, and as a kurti also. I just love this kurti. It's a dark blue color kurti, and I just love this color because this suits me very well. And the sleeves of this kurti are just above my elbow till here, and you can see the pattern over here. So I can just wear it with a belt if I want to give a western look. And the length is a full length kurti. You can see it's a full length kurti, and it has a superb and sexy design going around the back. You can see guys, So the pattern over here is really amazing. I just love this kurti, and the color combination of blue and red is my favorite. I just love this color. The kurti of this, the material of this is a cotton material. So if you want to go a size bigger also you can try, but if they shrink or something. So this is a cotton material and it's a very soothing material, so you can wear in all seasons. If you want cotton materials in summers is the best to wear this. Okay guys, so next up I want to show you this kurti. This kurti is really very nice. I've just wore it and it has a belt with this. I will show you overall how it looks. You can see it has a 3/4 sleeves. This is a cotton material kurti and you can wear this as a one piece also. And this retails for 3049 and discounted price I will list here below above. The discounted price I will list here above. You can see guys here belt is there with this kurti. The sleeves is 3/4 and it has a very nice flare in this. You can wear this as a one piece. I'm just loving this kurti, so you can just give it a try if you want. Okay guys, so next up I want to show you this kurti. I'm just loving this. It's a black color kurti and it has a checks inside this, and the sleeves is full sleeves, and here it has a puff like design, you can see. So this kurti also I have ordered like that so that I can wear it as a one piece and a normal kurti also. It has a button over here and the pattern overall is very good. So I'm just loving it. The price of this is 2649 and the discounted rate is 1000 something. I will just list it above so you can just check it out. Okay guys, I hope you like this collection of mine. I have just shopped it and I thought I can just help you by telling you the material and everything. So I just love it. And if you want me to do more such hauls, please let me know in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and please share my videos and like my videos. Bye guys, take care, stay healthy.